Hello everyone, today we will learn about how to draw half pyramid and full pyramid in C sharp. So my output should be like this, like I have 4 spaces here on the left and 1 and then 3 spaces and then 2 1 and then 2 spaces 3 2 1 and then 1 space on left 4 3 2 1 and then no space 5 4 3 2 1. So for half pyramid I should have a maximum of 4 spaces. You see on the top before 1 there are 4 spaces on the left. So I can do it by using loops. I can draw this half pyramid or full pyramid by using for loop. So let's do this. So my outer loop should be for, let's say I'm taking variable a, integer a equals to 1, a less than equals to 5 because we have maximum of 5 values, and a plus plus. Okay, so now for inner loop, in which I have to specify number of spaces. So for spaces I am using variable s. For s equals to a, s less than equals to 4. Sorry, a less than equals to 4, s plus s plus plus. I didn't provide data type here, so that's why it is showing me error. So you see here my inner loop is for integer s equals to a, s less than equals to 4. So why I have written 4 here? I have written 4 here because I need maximum of 4 spaces. You can see here in top, you can see here on top I need maximum 4 spaces, so that's why I have written 4 here. So console dot write, I will use console dot write because I have to write on the same line, no need to break lines. So console dot write space. For space I am printing dash, and my another inner loop should be for integer b equals to a, b is greater than equals to 1, b so again if I tell you what it is doing here, my second inner loop is decrementing value. From 2 it is going till 1, from 3 it is going till 1, and from 4 decrementing value till 1 4 times. So from 5 it is decrementing till once. So that is what it is doing right here. So I have done my work for half pyramid. Let's see the output. Oops. For displaying a screen, I have to write console.readkey. So this will come under method, and so now it is showing me value. It's showing me output. Now it is showing me output like this. Because I have not provided line break here. Console.write. So here it is. So half work is done. Now for full pyramid, I will write another inner loop, third inner loop. Integer c equals to 2. C is less than equals to a c plus plus. So dot write c. So that's it. Let's see the output. Yep, I got my output. I need a full pyramid. I need a full pyramid, and I got it here. You can see my output is matching with this output. So that is how you can print half pyramid and full pyramid through for loop. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for taking time and watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.